Okay, it says describe how the graph of each equation compares to the parent graph, and then graph it. Write the coordinates of the inflection. Okay, so we should be able to graph this in our calculator. So x minus 1 cubed plus 3. Okay, so if I do menu 5, 1, I can kind of see where this inflection point is. Now, it doesn't give me exact points, but if you remember the inflection point, okay, point of inflection or the vertex, okay, the vertex is h comma k, and if you remember, this is h and this is k, but insiders lie. Okay, so that means my vertex is going to be, instead of -1, +1, and then my k is 3, 1 comma 3, 1, 1, 2, 3. And if I do Control T, okay, I get some nice points here. Let's plot these points. -1, -5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 11, 2, 4, 3, and 11 is off the grid. It's a horrible sketch, but you get the idea. Okay, but that point of inflection is at 1 comma 3. And how do I describe it? It's shifted right, not left, right 1, and up 3. Cool. Okay, and then we want to describe the end behavior of this. So let's go ahead and graph this first in our calculator. So I go to a new graph, don't save, number 2, x to the 4th, x to the 3rd, minus 2x squared, minus 7x, minus. Alright, so when we graph this, to see it, we want to do menu for A to zoom in on it. Menu for A. Okay, and now you can see it looks like this. So let's go ahead and graph that. Okay, there may be more nuance down here, but the main thing we care about is the end behaviors. Okay, so in our answer choices, all the answer choices say as x approaches infinity, which means as x goes to the right, y is going towards what? And then the second row is always x is going towards negative infinity, which means to the left. Y is going towards what? Okay, so let's think about this first. As x goes to infinity to the right, which direction is this going? Up, which means positive infinity. Okay. What about when x goes towards negative infinity, which is to the left? As it goes to the left, 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 which direction is it going? Up, which is also positive infinity. Okay. So I look at my answer choices. Which one says whether you go right or left, you're going towards infinity, infinity? Well, it can't be that one. Can't be those. Can't be that one. It's got to be letter A because it's going to infinity and infinity. Okay, I'm telling you, your quiz is not going to be this exact one. You got to graph it, zoom 4A, sketch it correctly, and then match them up correctly. All right.